Good morning, guys. Once again, FCI Futures is back with a gold analysis. My name is Alex, and today I will be guiding you with the technical and fundamental analysis on gold. First of all, let's start with the current prices right now. The gold is running around 24.95. In the morning, it made the high of 2500, then it rejected from there. There was a good selling in the during the late Asian session, and it reached till 2485, and right now we can see like there was a kind of double bottom in the shorter time frame of 15 minutes, and right now it is going up. So it is very simple that we are having a one good resistance and a one good support between that till the prices is there, then we can sell from high or buy from there. Okay, if this breaks in the upside, like the psychological level of 2500, then we will surely see gold reaching in the upside. Okay, and it could reach for that how much it could go up, or like what will be the uptrend if 2500 breaks. So for that I am drawing a Fibonacci retracement level, and this was the wave we seen on the Friday market. On Friday it made the high of 2529, and then it fall down as the unemployment data, the unemployment rate what was less. And right now the total focus of Fed is on unemployment of the USA. So as it was in the positive side, dollar got strong, and hence the gold was down. Although the NFP was negative, but we saw already the upward movement for the the positive negative data of NFP. So overall, the right now the market is watching the unemployment rate. So for like coming today also, when we talk about the fundamental data, then there are no such major datas. Okay, so as you can see, there are no such red datas that can affect the market majorly. So what we can expect is the market will be like consolidating between the same range. This will be the range. If I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement level, like how much it could go up, then it is showing 2507 and 2512. Okay, so we can know that if gold breaches above 2512, then we can see the upward bullish continuation. But in case gold moves up like about 2500, that it will not go above 2512, and sellers can take the opportunity from this range. Okay, this will be the good selling range. And in case before the US session, in during the London session that will be starting after 30 minutes from now, so what we can see, if gold goes down again without breaking 2500, then it could reach till the low of 2471. That was the support range. Okay, and from here we can see a fresh buying if this does not break the 7170 support level. And if that breaks, then it will move down till 2450, because that is the long psychological target the people are targeting to have a greater entry. So for today, keep it simple for you. If 2500 breaks, then target 2507, 2512. And in case the downward side breaches 2484, then you can sell from here till 75 or 72, and you can start to buy from here for the upper side, and putting the stop loss just below 2470 or 68 range. So I hope you get the point, and I wish you have a great day today. All the best. Thank you so much.